ENOTFOUND, how to fix error getaddrinfo ENOTFOUND. Here's a breakdown of what the error getaddrinfo ENOTFOUND means and how you can try to fix it. It's a fairly common error when dealing with network requests, especially in Node.js or similar environments. What does getaddrinfo ENOTFOUND mean? Asterisk the error comes from the system DNS resolver. Getaddrinfo is the system call that converts a host name, e.g. example.com, into an IP address. Asterisk ENOTFOUND means the DNS lookup failed. The system couldn't find any DNS record for the host name. So the host name couldn't be resolved to an IP address. Asterisk in other words, your code or system tried to connect to a host/domain name that doesn't exist, or can't be reached. DNS resolution failed. Common causes of the error, some frequent reasons this happens, asterisk typo or incorrect host name/domain name. Maybe you misspelled the domain, or used an invalid host string. Asterisk using full URL, including protocol, when only host name expected, e.g. using https://example.com as the host instead of just example.com. That breaks host name resolution. Asterisk DNS issues, your DNS server is down, misconfigured, or unreachable. DNS server problems can prevent resolution. Asterisk network connectivity problems, no internet, firewall, or security software blocking DNS or outgoing connections. Asterisk local hosts file misconfiguration, especially when working with localhost or custom local domains. If localhost, or custom host names, aren't correctly mapped in your hosts file, DNS lookup may fail. Asterisk DNS cache/stale DNS records, sometimes cached DNS data causes problems, or DNS resolution times out. How to fix it, or at least debug it? The ENOTFOUND error means your system cannot resolve a domain name to an IP address, DNS lookup failure. Here's how to fix it. Quick fixes, try these. First one. Check your internet connection. Verify you're connected to the internet, try accessing other websites to confirm connectivity too. Restart your application/server. If this is in your code, restart your Node.js server or application, often temporary DNS issues resolve themselves. 3. Check the domain/URL. Verify the URL is spelled correctly. Ensure the domain actually exists. Remove any extra spaces or special characters. DNS related fixes. 4. Flush DNS cache, Windows *IP protocol configuration/flush Mac OS. Sudo scotchy util flush cache, sudo killal hupm DNS responder Linux *sudo systemd resolve flush caches. 5. Change DNS servers, switch to public. Like Google, 8.8.8.8, 8.8.4.4, or Cloudflare, 1.1.1.1, on Windows, network settings rightward arrow network adapter rightward arrow properties rightward arrow IPv4 rightward arrow DNS, on Mac OS, system preferences rightward arrow network rightward arrow advanced rightward arrow DNS. 6. Check proxy/VPN settings, disable proxy settings temporarily, turn off VPN if using one, check corporate network restrictions for developers, code related. 7. Environment variables, check if URLs in .env files are correct. Verify API endpoints and host names. 8. Localhost issues, use 127.0.0.1 instead of localhost if having issues. Check your /etc/hosts file for correct mappings. 9. Network configuration in code //add timeout and retry logic const options equals timeout, 10,000, family, //force IPv4, 10. Check firewall/antivirus, temporarily disable to test if they're blocking DNS requests, add exceptions for your application. Additional steps. 11. Reset network settings, Windows, netshare winsock reset and netshare int IP reset. Restart computer after running these. 12. Update network drivers. Outdated network adapters can cause DNS issues. Example for Node.js. If you're in a Node.js app and you see something like error, getaddrinfo ENOTFOUND myservice.local at getaddressinfo reqwrap.onlookup, make sure JS//wrong including protocol or path in host const options equals host, https://myservice.local, //crossmark path, /API/data//write just host name const options equals host, myservice.local, //white heavy checkmark path, /API/data or, if connecting to a local service, ensure that myservice.local is mapped in your OS hosts file, e.g. 127.0.0.1 myservice.local, and that your DNS/network allows resolution.